Hello students, this is Usha, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn about number system. Number system, this is chapter 3 in your book. Number system is a set of symbols used for formation of numbers. These symbols are known as digits. Any combination of these digits is a number in the number system. Since early time, to count we record a method. People used stones, tally marks, fingers for counting. When we later, with time and more requirements of counting, came the number system. There are various number systems that were invented: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Every number system has a set of unique digits. All numbers in the number system are formed by combination of these digits. Base of a number system, the number system of unique digit in a number system defines the base of a number system. Base of the number system. Example, decimal number system has 10 unique digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So its base is 10. Decimal number system has 10 unique digits, that is in its base is 10. Binary number system has 2 unique digits, 0 and 1. So its base is 2. Octal number system has 8 unique digits, that is 0 to 7. So its base is 8. Hexadecimal number system has 16 unique digits, 0 to 9 and capital A to F. So its base is 16. Total 16 numbers, its base is 16. 0 to 9 and A to F. Then base of number system is also known as radix. The base is written as a subscript. 15 base 10, 101 base 2. We can't pronounce 101, that is 101 base 2. This shows which number system the number belongs to. In every number system, the value of a digit number depends upon the face value of a digit, the base of number system, the position of digit in the number. Let's see one example. The number 462 base 10 in decimal notation. The face value of the given digit of the number are 462. The base of number system is 10. The place value of each digit in the number is 2. 10 power 0, that is 1's place. 6, 10 power 1, that is 10's place. 4th, that is 10 power 2, 100's place. Do you understand this? The face value of the given digit of the numbers are 462. That base is 10. The place value, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Now I will give one note. Later we use this note. In hexadecimal system, the face value of digits A, B, C, D, E, F represent A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. Therefore, in hexadecimal number 2A, the place value of digit of the number is 2 and 10. A belongs to 10. A represent 10. 2A means 2 and 10. Now, binary number systems. In the number system has two digits, that is 0 and 1. A computer uses the binary system. Why? A computer understands only two numbers, that is on and off. Two modes, that is on and off. On, that is 1, off, that is 0. A computer converts all the digital data into binary format, that we already learned. For this reason, we need to learn the conversion or decimal number system to binary number system and vice versa. Let's start the conversion of a decimal number to binary number. Method. How we want to convert decimal number to binary number. First, divide the given decimal with the base 2. divide the given decimal with base 2. We want to divide the numbers. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. You want to divide the number. Repeat the above step till the quotient is 0. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order too from the binary equivalent of the given number. That is from the down you want to. Now let's see one example. 37. See, 37 we divide into 2. 2, 18 2s are 36, 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, remaining 0, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. Right? Like that we divide that, and from the down we want to write the final order of the digit binary number, that is 10010 1 100101. That is the binary digit for the decimal 37. Remainder after each division you want to write here. Then write the remainders. Final order you want to write for 37 100101 base 2. That is the binary digit of decimal 37. Then conversion of a binary number to decimal number. Same method. Multiply each digit of the binary number of its place value. Add up all the products. We get the required decimal number. See, the place value of digits in binary numbers are first 2 power 0. Anything power 0, that is 1. 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, like that. So to convert any binary number to decimal number, we need to follow the following steps. That is 1 2 4 8 16 32, like that. We multiply with the binary number by its place value. We multiply the digit with the place value. Add up all the products and we can get the decimal number from binary digits. Let's see one example. Listen that place value how we convert. Then example, that is 101 base 2. We can't pronounce 101, that is 101 binary digit. 101 from the left, from the right you want to write 2 power 0, that is digit 1 multiply 2 power 0. Then second digit 0 multiply by 2 power 1. Then third, from the right you want to calculate 2 power 2 multiply 1, that is 4. 2 power 2 4 multiply 1, that is 4. Then 0, then 1. Answer is 5. 4 plus 1 5 base, that is base 10 because it is decimal. Anything power 0, that is 2 power 0 equal to 1. 0 multiply with the 2 power 1, that is 0. 1 multiply with 2 power 2, that is 4. Answer is 5. Now conversion of octal number to decimal number. It is not in your portion, but you should know the place value of each digit in octal numbers are same like that, 8 power. That is octal number base is 8. That's why we write 8 power 0, 8 power 1, like that. Till 1, 8, 64, 512. 8 power 3, it is 512. So it convert any octal number to decimal number. We need to follow the following steps. Multiply each digit of the octal number by its place value. Add up all the products. We get the required decimal number. Here you want to notice one thing, that is base 8. Multiply each digit of octal number by its place value. Add up all the products and we get the required decimal number. See, 8 power 0, that is also 1. Anything power 0, that is 1. If we multiply with the 0, that is 0. Let's see the example. Example 70, that is base 8 by decimal to octal. 70 from the right you want to calculate. 8 power 0 multiply 0, 8 power 1 multiply 8. 8 power 0, that is 1, multiply with the 0 place value, that is 0. 8 power 1 multiply with the digit 7, that is 56. 70 digital for decimal number for the answer is then conversion of a hexadecimal number to a decimal number, hexadecimal to decimal. Now multiply each digit of the hexadecimal number by its place value. Place value, the place value of the digit in a hexadecimal numbers are, it is a base 10, that's why it is 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, that is 256, 16 power 3, that is 4096. Same method if you want to follow. Multiply, then add up all the products and we get the required decimal. That is hexadecimal number to decimal number we want to convert like this. Let's see one example. Before that, see the hexadecimal number we have 0 to 9 and A to F. In previous slides I show that note hexadecimal A represents 10. You should remember that and do the example. Let's see the example. 3B base 16, that is 16, that is hexadecimal number base. Now start from the left, right. 16 power 0 multiply B, 16 power 1, that is multiply with digit 3. 16 power 0 1, B represent 11, A represent 10, B represent 11. So B represent 11, that's why we write 11 here. 16 multiply by 3, 48. So total 59. Decimal number, that is 59. For 3B equivalent decimal number, that is 59. I hope all are understand this session with binary arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. We will see in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.